Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down box. I'm going to show you two ways. First, by just typing in the values you want. The second way, by pulling the values from another sheet or somewhere else on your sheet. So we have our spreadsheet here of Shakespeare lines. We've got this column, doth it slay? We want to know, does this line slay or not? So what we're going to do is we're going to put a drop-down box here with just yes or no. I'm going to highlight my column, then I'm going to go to the Data tab. I'm going to come over here to Data Validation under Data Tools. I'm going to select Data Validation. I'm going to change Allow Any Value to List. And then Source, I'm just going to type yes, comma, no, comma, sort of. Each of my values in this dropdown is going to be separated by a comma. So I tell it OK, and now I come here. Yes, no, sort of. So this one yes, this one no. This one sort of, and so on. The other way you can do this is you can pull it from another sheet. So over here we have a sheet of plays, the line, but the player is blank. So we want to put a drop down here where we can select the player from a drop down box. Down here I have another sheet with the names of all the players, all the different characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this column. On the Data tab, under Data Tools, I'm going to go to Data Validation. I'm going to change Allow Any Value to List. And then in the Source, I'm just going to put my cursor in there. I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to select all of these rows. Tell it OK. There we go. And now it is the East and Juliet is the sun. I know that's Romeo. I should just be able to type an R. Jump right to the R's. Romeo, to be or not to be, that's Hamlet. Type H, go straight to Hamlet. St. Crispin Day speech, that's Henry V. Henry V, there we go. That's all there is to it.